Ukraine has become an expert in destroying Russian equipment, but this is something Russia is improving in as well, as recently destroying a T-72B3 tank, so Ukraine would not be able to capture it. Now they are on the move again, targeting their most modern T-90M tank. While unclear what happened to the tank, it most likely hit a mine, only destroying the track, resulting in the tank getting stuck. While the crew abandoned the vehicle, Russia chose to hit the T-90M tank with a Lancet Kamikaze drone to destroy it, so Ukraine would not be able to capture another one. As the Lancet drone comes in for a strike, it seems to possibly hit the explosive reactive armor on the turret, as the damage seems moderate, missing the top back section, which should be the main target for the drone. Not sure if they managed to destroy their own tank, not being as good as the Ukrainian drone army. However, the tank's fate ended. The result is one less tank for Russia. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.